This video shows how to unbox and assemble the Xerox C320 Color Printer. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual and power cord from the top of the printer. Remove the packaging material from the top of the printer. Lift the printer with two people from the outer box. Tilt the printer and remove the outer plastic bag. Remove all packing tape from the printer. Open door A. Remove the red plastic loops and clips. Close door A. Open door B. Remove the piece of cardboard placed on the top of toner cartridges. Remove the red plastic loop and clip. Close door B. Remove the protecting cover on the control panel. Remove the tray from the printer. To move out the length or width paper guides, pinch the guide locks, then slide out the guides. Fan the paper and load the paper in the tray. Adjust the guides to fit the paper size. Do not load paper past the tray's maximum fill line. Insert the tray back into the printer. If required, install the options, such as optional tray or optional printer stand, before powering on the printer. Plug in both ends of your power cord. If required, install the printer network connection. The printer is now ready to power on.